This unit is in the market. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 ensuite, 1 shares. The most impressive thing about this unit is that it is a duplex and a penthouse. On the left-hand side, that's Lavington. On the right-hand side, it's Kileleshwa. Now, this unit is in Kileleshwa. That side is Lavington, as I'd mentioned before. Now, you get these permanent views for this unit. Now, the unit itself is not really luxurious, but the most impressive thing is this view. The view only is worth 2.5 billion Kenya shillings, as you can see. Now, you're not buying this one. You're buying this on the left-hand side. Where I'm standing, this is your balcony. The balcony is lengthy from where the videographer is standing all the way to that side. On the far end, you get a provision for your laundry. This one is your access into the lounge plus the kitchen. On the far end, that's the guest bedroom. This unit is 338 meters square in the market right now for only 45 million. If you are in the market looking for a villa in this area, you'll struggle to get a property under 65 million. Now, on the border, I'm giving you a villa of 4-bedroom duplex penthouse worth 45 million. In the entire upmarket neighborhood, it's difficult to find a villa going 45 million. Now, this is not a villa, of course, but it's a penthouse. On my right-hand side, it's your lounge, and the lounge comes with an open kitchen. Before we go anywhere, let's get straight to the specs of this unit. As I mentioned before, it's a 4-bedroom, 3 ensuite, 1 shares, 338 meters square. In the market right now for only 45 million. It comes with a rooftop terrace that I'll show you once we get there. It also has a swimming pool, a kids play area, a borehole, a gym, but no steam or sauna. You can fix that in your unit if you want to. Where I'm standing, of course, this is your lounge. This lounge enjoys a lot, not only space, but also views. The views are spectacular. Green views, lushy views. You can walk straight into your balcony and enjoy the views. Imagine in the morning, waking up to these kind of views. Maybe in the evening from work, you can go straight to the balcony and still enjoy the views. For me, that's the most interesting thing about this penthouse. Guaranteed, nobody's gonna build in front of your penthouse. So this is your TV wall. I haven't fixed the TV, but the TV is coming with the unit, with some panels, with some recessed lights, with glass cabinetry. I think that's enough of that side. On the left-hand side, I also have panels on the wall. The space fits your family. Above, I have a chandelier with some recessed lightings and with a strip light that runs all around the ceiling. The floor has huge size of tiles, which I think for me is a statement. In between is your dining area. The dining area is not so far away from the kitchen. Today is serious business. It's for only those who want to buy. If you know you don't want to buy, don't watch this. But please you can watch anyway. On the other side is your open plan kitchen, which comes with an oven, a 2-burner cooker, the hood, a stainless sink, and a breakfast countertop. Now, the white and brown is nicely combined. I like that. It also comes with this Hisense double-sided fridge. Your main entrance is somewhere here. I have that intercom over there, and outside is your detached maid's room, which is en suite. I'm also giving you this closet for your shoes and decor. All that comes the way it is. Just to let you know, the unit comes with anything your eyes will see. There is nothing that doesn't come with this unit that you've seen on the video. Everything you see comes with the unit. The furniture you're seeing also comes with the unit. I like the design. I like the openness, allows flow of light and modern vibe as well in this unit. On the other side, I have that bedroom which is en suite and this bedroom which is not en suite. On this side, we also have a bedroom, which I'll show you if you get to watch to the end. So I'll start with my first bedroom, which is not en suite. Let's go check it out. So this is your first bedroom. This bedroom is not en suite, but it comes with anything that you can see on the video. It comes with this bed, with the panels on the wall, and the closet here. And behind Fabian over there, it's a huge window that brings in lighting into this bedroom. Now you ask me, Boris, where is the washroom for this bedroom? As I always mention that you never get a perfect house. Now for this, the only limiting thing for me was the idea of having a washroom across the dining or across the lounge to the other side, which I think if you like it, you can compromise. I like being honest. The walls are white, you can do a lot with the walls. Come see the second bedroom. So this is my second bedroom. This bedroom is en suite. It can work as your guest bedroom. Now this bedroom is not only en suite, but the most impressive thing is it enjoys similar views to the primary bedroom. And the good thing is it has access to the balcony, and the access is through a French window which is tinted, more privacy. The views are unobstructed, green, lushy views of Lavington. The tiles you saw in the main lounge are similar to what you're seeing here, glossy, reflecting natural lighting into the space. Gypsum of course on the ceiling, the recessed downlighters, the moonlight, and the closet. The washroom is spacious. There is this space again you can still work with. The bed will fit there comfortably because you have spaces besides the bed. As you can see, it comes the way it is with the bed, with the panels on the wall and everything. Come close. This is my washroom in this bedroom. It has a wide sink, a nearest toilet, which I'll show you how it works in the primary bedroom, and a shower cubicle with the tiles from the floor all the way to the ceiling. As I mentioned to you, that I'm not showcasing a luxurious penthouse. This is not really luxurious, but the most beautiful thing is the views. In the market, it's difficult to find a property with permanent views in Kilimani, Lavington, Kileleshwa. And why? It's because people are constructing everywhere. But for this, you guarantee the views. Listen, I'm always honest. You know me. I'm really honest. I don't know how to play games with people. It's a lot of money. You guys work so hard to make this money. Why should I play games with you? Doesn't make any sense. The only reason I'll put my 45 million on this unit or this listing is the views. Come this way. Let's check what you have on this side. We're from the main lounge. From this point to the other side, that's your bedroom. Stairs taking you upstairs, and this is the powder. Now this washroom still serves the first bedroom, as I told you. The first bedroom was not en suite. It has a sink, a toilet, and a shower cubicle, which I think makes a lot of sense with where it's placed. It's easily accessible. Maybe I've got guests on that side, they can easily come in and still use it. Now come close. This is not my primary bedroom, it's my third bedroom. This bedroom has similar views to what you saw on the other unit. The space here is wider as compared to the second bedroom. The lighting is beautiful. You got this wall that has panels on the wall, you can mount a TV here, and that side you've got also panels on your headboard. Comes also with this bed. Not so big, but it's enough for the user of this room. The balcony also is spacious. The French windows are tinted. That means you have a lot of privacy. For me, what really carries the day is the views. If this is not enough, you can still play around with this wall. There is more space to walk around. I told you, today I'm not playing games, I'm very serious. Today I'm showcasing a product to someone who wants to buy. Once again, if you're not buying this unit, don't watch this video. That's the washroom. The washroom comes with a sink. As I told you, it's more spacious. You get a sink, a smart mirror, you get a toilet, you get a shower cubicle over there, and you still have this bar over here, maybe to place your toiletry. And this toilet is a nearest toilet. It's a smart toilet. I'll show you how it works when you get to the master bedroom. So follow me into my primary bedroom. Come with me. Fabed is asking me if I'm ready, man. I'm always ready. I was born ready. Now, this is your stairs that takes you upstairs. I know some would say, Boris, it's a bit steep. Yes, I agree. It's a bit steep. For this, you get to work out unknowingly, which for me is a good thing. But then also, you can still fix a lift. There are those lift experts, they know how to fix it. They can still help you fix it on this space. Now look above. Over there, I have a nicely done ceiling with some spotlight shining light into the corridors. Let's go upstairs, get to see what we have on our primary suite upstairs. Follow me. We are on the last level of the unit. Behind me is a huge window that brings in natural lighting into this corridor. The window has amazing views of the neighborhood. The ceiling is also beautiful. The light distribution is even. The space here is ample. You got these aluminum railings with some glass, which of course allows light to flow into every space of the unit. This is your primary suite. The entire level is the primary bedroom. Now, the doors are huge, so you can easily move in anything you want to move in. Anything you will see in this primary bedroom comes with the unit. Today, I'm not showing you a staged unit or a show house. This is the actual house, comes the way it is. Come close. This is your walk-in closet. The walk-in closet has a lot of space in it. In as much as you don't have motion censored lighting, you can still fit that in the closet. All this for your clothes, and this still serves you in your walk-in closet. You can still remove this if you don't want it. There is more storage under the island and more space around the walk-in closet. Now this is your washroom. Come. I buy this unit, I remove this frosting on the glass to allow more lighting into the washroom and even into the walk-in closet. Now, there is no one in front of your washroom. I mean, it's unobstructed views. Imagine on a weekend, soaking yourself on this tub with your wine and the views. Remember, the reason why you're putting 45 million is not only because of the space or it being a penthouse in the duplex. The reason we're putting 45 million is for the views that you're having. So you remove this, enjoy the views, and still enjoy yourself on a weekend. You get double sinks for you and your partner, nice vanity, frosted steel for privacy. On the other side is a toilet, which is the nearest toilet, smart toilet, separate from the shower cubicle. If you want to stand and shower, you can still walk into the shower cubicle and shower. Now, I love the idea of having a separation between the toilet and the shower cubicle and still having a separation between the toilet, the shower cubicle, and the bathtub. The space in between here is just enough for the two of you. This is your bedside area. The bed itself has been swallowed with this space. You got this wall, that wall, and the other wall. I told you anything that you set your eyes on comes with the unit. These walls, I don't think they're nicely paneled. I don't love them. I kind of feel like it's a bit dull. I will do something with a little bit of bright colors just to break this dull look of the bed. I don't know what you'll go with, but for me, I'll go with that. You get this light fixture that comes with the unit and huge windows as well that come with this unit. Big windows to bring in natural lighting. On that side is a private terrace for the primary suite only. Let me show you. Come this way. Look, this is your private terrace. Private for the primary bedroom only. Goes all the way to that side and still goes all around to the other side. It's like a wraparound balcony. And not only that, there is still privacy. With this material on the perimeter gives you more privacy. I've got aluminum balustrades running all the way with some glasses that bring in modernity. The views are still unobstructed, green views of Lavington. It's open to the sky. The unit behind me is in the market, as I mentioned, 45 million. The windows are tinted. It's sunny, it's hot, the views are beautiful. The reason why we are putting 45 million, as I mentioned before, is because of these beautiful unobstructed views of Lavington. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 ensuite, 1 shares, 338 meters square. In the market right now. Interested, you always know what to do. Man, I'm squinting. To watch me, catch me on Saturday at 10 a.m. It's your guy, Boris Yeltsin, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye-bye.